Khaddu khadwai ka Jingangnud bat jingthmu jong Captain Williamson e Sangma bat ba Brington buhai lingdo kinong yalam barat ba Khuborjylla ban penlong ni ka Tura ka jakasa Tlang jong ulat Khuborjylla kala Urlong minta kasngi ha ka ba ulat badon buram uphagu chohan ulapli lingba ka hau ya kani ka yingsa Tlang ha ka khatar trik kalalengkon ha Tura Hatura hakani kesngi pli ladon ki kenrem ka sorkar jilla ki bakentup yu menteri rangba u konrad ki Sangma u Thomas A Sangma honorable speaker ka Agatha ki Sangma MP u chief secretary ba DP Walang commissioner of division Dr Vijay Kumar ba deputy commissioner Jagdish Chelani kini ka ying sa Tlang jonglat kadon ha ka atat ka bahe apupra point sabusan akar bat la pelut arpusau point shiklur tingka bante yaka
Thank you, Honorable Chief Minister, sir, and all our esteemed dignitaries on the dais for this new year of new beginnings.
And our honored guests, it is with great pleasure and immense pride that I extend a warm welcome to each one of you on this momentous occasion. The inauguration of Raj Bhavan in Tura has marked a significant milestone in our journey towards progressive development. This marks that historic and momentous occasion. This majestic Raj Bhavan stands as a testament of our commitment to the well-being of the people and the privilege that distinguished personalities of being here with us, whose presence adds grace and significance to this auspicious occasion. As we gather here in the embrace of the Meghalaya's scenic beauty, let us take a moment to reflect on the values that Raj Bhavan encapsulates. And it's not just a structure, but it symbolizes the strength of our collective aspirations. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to those who have contributed to the realization of this architectural marvel and the dedication and hard work that has transformed this dream into a reality. To our distinguished guests, your presence here underscores the significance of this occasion.
First of all, I would like to greet each one of you and our Honorable Governor, Sri Pagu Chauhanji, a very happy new year, and everyone present here also a very happy new year. It fills me with great joy and pride as we gather here to celebrate the inauguration of our state's second governor's house here in West Garo Hills, Tura. This momentous occasion marks a significant milestone in the development and growth of our beautiful Garo Hills region. Tura, nestled in a picturesque landscapes of West Garo Hills, growth and development in this region. The Governor's House holds immense importance as it serves as a symbol of governance and is the seat of authority. It is here that the Governor represents the state, welcomes dignitaries, conducts official meetings, and represents the aspirations and interests of the people. This house is not just a mere structure, but an embodiment of our values, traditions, and aspirations. It represents the collective dreams of the people of Meghalaya, particularly from the Garo Hills region, who envision a prosperous and inclusive society. The inauguration today is a celebration of our ability to achieve great feats when we work towards a common goal. Apart from the official duties it fulfills, I believe that this Governor's House will also contribute to the growth of tourism in this region. Visitors from far and wide will witness the grandeur and remarkable architecture of this building, adding another jewel to the crown of Tura's tourism industry. At this moment, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Conrad K. Sangma, for ensuring the completion of this long neglected complex. I also extend my sincere gratitude to the government officials, administrators, architects, the engineers, and all the individuals, including the contractors, involved in bringing this vision to life.